In Mathstown, the probability of rain in any day of September is 0.3. And remember that September is a 30-day month. Find the probability that this September there will be exactly 10 rainy days, more than 10 rainy days. So if x is the number of rainy days, that's going to be binomially distributed with 30 trials and a probability of success of 0.3. So for exactly 10 rainy days, we have the probability of x being 10. That's going to be 30 choose 10 multiplied by 0.3 to the 10 multiplied by 0.7, which is the probability of failure, to the 20, which is of course 30 take away 10. We can calculate that on whichever calculator we have. So we've got 30 choose 10 times 0.3 to the power 10 times 0.7 to the power 20, and that's 0.1416. if we work to 4 decimal places. Now part B is more than 10 rainy days, so that's going to be 11 plus 12 and so on up to x being 30. This is a lot of work if we use this formula because we have to do each one of these individually and add them up. So of course we're going to go to the calculator and we're going to be doing the probability of x being greater than or equal to 11. So once again, the calculator I have for this is the ClassPad, but any modern graphical type calculator will have an app for doing this type of thing on it. First of all, let's just do the equal to 10 again. So that's a binomial PDF. So I just put in here 10 with 30 trials, probability of success 0.3, and that should give me that same answer, and indeed it does. And then we want the greater than or equal to 11 case, so that's a CDF. So that's 11 through to 30 with 30 trials, probability of success 0.3. So okay, that 0.2696 if we work to 4 decimal places.